The car is driving along the road. Along. The dog ran through the tunnel. Through. The gift is under the Christmas tree. Under. The ducks are swimming around the pond. Around. The children ran across the field. Across. The monkey is sitting on the branch. On. Toys are inside the box. Inside. The cat jumped onto the table. Onto. Kids are playing in the park. In. The bird is sitting on the tree. On. The bag is under the chair. Under. The book is placed between two notebooks. Between. The sun is shining over the clouds. Over. The fish are swimming in the water. In. The boy is sitting beside his mother. Beside. The rabbit is hiding behind the tree. Behind. The ball is on the shelf. On. The stars are in the sky. In. The flowers are in the vase. In. The car is parked beside the house. Beside. The boy is standing at the door. At. The clock is on the wall. On. The shoes are under the bed. Under. The apple is in the basket. In. Well, the bird is flying over the house. Over. The cup is on the table. On. The dog is sitting beside the tree. Beside. The ball is under the chair. Under. Well, the cat is in the box. In. The book is on the table. On.